everybody. Today I want to show you all of my junk mail I've been saving up and packaging. This is from the nails that I got. These are from my kids going to the library. I'm gonna erase all of that real quick. And there's somebody coming in my room, so you'll have to ignore all that noise from kids and dogs. Then I saved this from some allergy relief. Look at that cardstock. Isn't that awesome? We can use that. Here's another one. And I saved this from something my husband bought. Look at all that good, nice hard cardstock. And let's see, what else? Thought there was more. Oh yeah, here's some more. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Okay, so I got this thing here. I don't know what it was. I think it's another thing, a tool thingy. And I thought it would be really cool because it's got a neat shape to it. And I got this nice piece of cardstock. Got this one. This one. My daughter shares fidget toys. I share like junk mail and packaging. And we're gonna make pretty things with it. And we're not gonna have to buy cardstock ever. Because I've got, unless you're gonna put it through the computer, then you have to buy it for that. But I've got so much. That's another one. And here's this one. And here's this one. These are mailers. Look at all of this that I saved for the landfills. Okay, now let's get busy and make something really beautiful. Alright, so I have some of my butterfly prints and I'm going to use them to add to this card here. Let me move my stuff over for a bit. Okay, and I'm going to need to use my eraser just a little bit more. Somebody really wrote on this. They were writing their spelling words, it looks like. They didn't have any paper. But it doesn't matter. It'll be great. Alright, let's choose one and get it cut out. Okay, so which one? I want to use that one. That one's really pretty. The colors I love working with. Now I've done this with napkins before. This time I'm just using this printer paper and see how it turns out. I bet it'll be just as pretty. We just got to get around everything really close so it will look right. I don't think I'm going to use the legs because it's going to be too hard to get close to the print. So I'm just going to use the body real close to the body because that's the only way it's going to look right, I think. Well, we have some more stuff going on here. I'm just gonna do the big dark colored antennas if I can. I'm not gonna worry about it. Okay, and for the antenna. I guess I could have kept them all and then just tried to blend it with some inks, but I didn't, so maybe on the next one. It maybe look kind of funky with no legs. We'll see. Get some more of that white off, just to see if I can really make it blend where it looks like it's part of the page. Okay. Oh yeah, it's gonna look good. Got a scissor delivery. Okay. Where do we want? Like that, or we want it up here? It's hard to say where I want it. Okay, I'm just gonna put it on wherever it ends up. Okay. Okay, now we gotta get this on. Hopefully it didn't dry too much. I think it did. My daughter had to talk to me. I'll try it again. So I like the purple glue because you can tell if it's dried already. Look at that. It looks great. Now I have one down. Now I can always add more to it when you go to put it in your whatever you're making. But I'm just going to do a little bit to each one so you can see some things that you can do. That's one. Now I have some paper in here I can use. I'm just going to cover it real quick. A little bit of the blue, a little bit of the, yeah, like that, I think. On the side that has the numbers. But should I rough it up a little bit? Oh dear. Well, I'm not gonna be able to rough it up because my little, there it is, right in front of me. Okay. For some reason it's not doing anything. Just have to rub for a while, I guess. It's always good to do this when you have a slick piece of paper. Give it some grit. Alright, now I'm going to glue it. It already has this hole. I hope I can find the hole again, because that would be neat. Okay, what else can I stick on there? Let's stick this one. on the slick side because I want you to be able to, or the person that gets it, be able to write on the other side. Of course, it could have been left the way it was and added something to it as well, but so I would use up this piece of paper. Uh-oh, it got something on the other side. We have to wipe that down. 1 minute. I got paper and now I don't know. Oh. Yes, you have something you need to ask me.
I'm done with the dishes.
They're started?
Wonderful. The sink is pretty much empty. And can I get on your computer with the sound off?
Sound off.
No.
Yeah.
Guess what? Guess what? Rocket's favorite color is green.
Do what?
Because they can only see blue and green.
I have lost my emery board.
So we put blue and green right
there
next
it
to
is.
each other. And he licks green, and then we switch them, and then he licks green again.
He can say purple.
What? He can see purple. But we
Anything with the slightest tint of green in it. Or the slightest tint of blue in it.
Okay, well, I'm going to use this now. Quiet.
Purple has blue in it.
Quiet.